Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see MCQs on the internet. Now before proceeding forward, you are requested to subscribe the channel. Now question number 1 is, which statement is true? A browser is used to access the websites and web pages, whereas search engine is used to search for particular information. Now second statement is, a browser is used to access the internet, whereas in order to open a search engine we need a browser. Both statements are true and no statement is true. C option is correct. That means both the statements are correct. A web browser is used to access the internet, whereas in order to open the search engine we need a browser. Similarly, this statement is also correct. Now question number 2 is, example of the search engine is Google, Yahoo, Dogpile, Bing. All of these. Now E option is correct. All of these are the examples of search engine. Now related to the search engine, few more examples are AOI, Ask, Baidu. These are also the examples of search engine, and other examples are Dogpile, Bing, Yahoo, and Google. Now third question is, web search engine store information about many web pages by web router, web organizer, web indexer, web crawler. Option number D is the correct option, web crawler. Now question number 4 is, web crawler is also called as search optimizer, link directory, web manager, web spider. D option is the correct, web spider. Fifth question is, search engines are able to search dash type of information, videos, documents, images, or all of these. All of these can be searched with the help of search engine. So option number D is the correct option. Question number 6 is, father of the internet is Tim Berners-Lee, Venture, J.S. Calvi, and none. Option number 2 is correct, Venture. Question number 6 is, founder of the internet is Venture, Tim Berners-Lee, J.S. Calvi, and none. Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of internet. Now question number 7 is, example of the web browser is Opera, Safari, Firefox, and all of these. Option number D is the correct option. All of the three are the examples of web browser. Other examples of the web browser are Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Maxthon, Tor, Brave, IE, and UC browser. These are also the examples of web browser. 8th question is, World Wide Web was developed in 1990 by Tim Berners-Lee, Venture, J.S. Calvi, and none. Option number 1 is correct, Tim Berners-Lee. Now related to it, first web browser developed, also known as Tim Bill. It was the first web browser. It was initially called World Wide Web, WWW. Later was named to Nexus. Netscape was the world's first popular browser. Remember these pointers. Now 9th question, we can connect with the internet through dial-up, DSL, ISDN, all of these. All of these we can connect with the internet through all of these. Other modes to get connected with the internet are cable, broadband, hotspot, mobile, wireless. 10th question is, which of the following standard protocol of the internet? HTML, TCP, IP, Java, or Flash? TCP IP is the standard protocol. What is protocol? You will see in the coming MCQ. 11th question is, first web browser among the following is Mozilla, Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Mosaic. Among the following, Mosaic was the first web browser. 12th question is, initial development of the internet was supported by ARPANET, www, Google, and Yahoo. ARPANET, it was supported by ARPANET. Now 13th question is, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Latch, Universal Resource Locator, Universal Resource Latch. So first option is correct, Uniform Resource Locator. It is also known as web address. Now 14th question is, first component of the URL is, first component of the Uniform Resource Locator is protocol, server name, domain name, and website name. So option number first, protocol, HTTP. Now 15th question is, www is also known as the web server, web, HTTP, and website. It is also known as web. So option number second is the correct option, web. 16th question, the equipment needed to allow the home computers to connect to the internet is called as modem, gateway, monitor and peripheral. Modem, and related to the modem, it is known as modulator, demodulator. It is an network hardware device that modulates one or more carrier wave signals to encode digital information for transmission and demodulate signals to decode the transmitted information. So this is the function of modulator, demodulator or modem. 17th question is, the server on the internet is also called as hub, host, gateway and repeater. It is also known as host. What is server? You will see in the coming MCQ. 18th question, a user can get files from the another computer on the internet by using HTTP, Telnet, UTP and FTP. FTP. And what is FTP? File transfer protocol. Now, 19th question is protocol used for www is FTP, HTTP, W3 and all of these. The correct option is option number second, HTTP. 20th question is, first page of the website is master page, home page, first page or none. Option number second is correct option, home page. Internet is dynamic system, complex system, decentralized system and all of these. All of these are the examples. Internet is dynamic system, complex system or decentralized system. Now 22 question, dash domain is used by the profit business. .com, .gov, .org and none. .com. In URL you will see this .com. So .com is used by the profit business. Now 23 question is, document is converted to dash can be published to the web. HTTP, doc file, HTML and none. C option is correct, HTML. And what is HTML? We will see here. HTML stands for hyper transfer markup language, hypertext markup language, hard text markup language or none. Option number second is correct, hypertext markup language. 25 question, a dash is a software used to view the web pages. Browser, modem, text editor and none. Option number first is correct, browser. 26 question, dash is required to create HTML document, PDF, MS Word, text browser, text editor and browser. Text editor is required to create HTML document, hypertext markup language. Now 27, internet stands for intrastate network, international network, information network and none. International network. 28th question is, a website is a collection of websites, web pages, folders and none. It is a collection of web pages. So option number second is correct. 29 question is, the protocol is a set of. So why we this is the point why we have to know about the protocol. What is protocol? Is a set of dash, whether it is a set of programmers, applications or rulers that a computer uses to communicate with one another over a network such as internet. So what is it? It is a example. A protocol is a set of rules. Protocol is a set of rules that a computer uses to communicate with one another over a network such as internet. Protocol that is generally used in URL address is HTML, HTTP, FTP and TCP. HTTP is the protocol used in the URL addresses. So option number second is the correct option. 31 is, which is an example of connectivity? Floppy disk, data, internet and PowerPoint. The correct option is option number C. Internet is an example of connectivity. 32 question, a computer on the internet that hosts data that can be accessed by the web browser using HTTP is known as web rack, web space, web server, web computer. Option number C is the correct, web server. 33 question, all of the following are the part of URL, web addresses. So remember this point, URL is also known as web address, except, so the among three are the components of URL except one. We have to identify here The options are hyperlinks, protocol, World Wide Web, and domain name. Option number first is the correct option. This is not the component of URL, and these three are the components of URL. Now, 34th question is ARPANET was introduced in 1968 by Leonard, JCR, Licklider, scientists of ARPA, and none. Option number C is the correct option. Scientists of ARPA. 33 question is the internet is a system of web pages, websites, interconnected networks, software bundles. Option number C is the correct option. Interconnected network. I have tried my best. Still, if you feel any kind of error, please comment. I will be thankful to you. Also, I request to you, if you have got some amount of information from my video, subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. Thanks, stay blessed.